What's up, calisthenics athletes? The next info back at you with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. We do fitness videos here, so stick around every week to look at our newest videos on tips and tricks on how to do things calisthenics related. So without further ado, this video is going to be about a workout that will help you balance better in the handstand. Now, many people can do the handstand, but the problem is that people jump right into training the handstand without building the fundamental strength to be able to balance themselves. So one of the most important muscles in learning your handstand is the forearm. If you watched my last video on training the handstand and learning your balance, you would have seen that when you're performing your handstand, if you're falling forward, pretend this is the floor and this is my fingers trying to balance on the floor. You would have seen in my last video that in order to prevent yourself from falling forward, you need to press down on your fingers. And if you're falling back, you need to lean back with your elbows. So what this workout is going to emphasize on is building the strength on your forearms to be able to push harder when you're on the floor. And when you're able to push harder, that means you're going to have better balance. So that explains why we have strong calves. The reason why, is because when you're balancing, your calves essentially are stopping you from falling forward. So look closely at what my feet are doing. So pretend I'm falling forward. Falling forward. What you're seeing is my toes are pressing down to prevent me from falling forward. It's putting force in opposition to the direction that I'm falling in. And so what this workout is going to emphasize on is strengthening your wrists. That way when you're falling forward, you're pressing down on your fingers a lot stronger, which essentially is going to improve your balance. The first workout that I want you guys to do to improve your balance for the handstand is what I like to call wrist push-ups. So we're going to go against the wall and we're going to push forward until our fingers leave the wall. And we're going to go for 12 reps here. This is endurance training, so what we're trying to go for here is we're trying to improve our endurance, obviously. That way we could hold our handstand longer, and that's why we're doing 12 reps here. And the set amount that I want you guys to do to improve your balance is going to be 3 sets, because this is the amount of sets that you need to do for endurance. Now, this may seem like a very different workout, something that you might not be used to, but let me explain the form, that way I could clarify. Because some fingers might be longer than others, you might notice that, for example, let's say me, my middle finger is doing most of the work on the wall because it's the first to touch it. What you could do in order to try to keep it as even as possible, effort-wise with your fingers, is when you're landing onto the wall, you're gonna want to try to land with all of your fingers on it at the same time. So don't go, like that. Try not to land that way with your fingers just hitting the wall with the tip. You want to land more in a, like bent position in your wrist. That way all of your fingers leave the wall and they all put in the same effort. Next time you guys do your handstand, you guys are going to notice a big difference in your ability to balance. So let me know in the comments down below how this workout works for you guys. With this next workout, I want you guys to get a dumbbell or get a resistance band in order to train the other side of your forearm. Because we're all about preventing muscle imbalances here in the channel, I want to make sure that because we worked out our forearm, we work out the opposite side of our forearm. So what you guys want to do essentially is perform 12 reps just like the last one, and you guys want to do 3 sets. So what you're going to do is you could either do it standing or you could do it sitting down, but in this case I'm going to do it standing. I'm going to put my hand up here, place my forearm on my hand, and you're just going to go up and down. And try to go for a full range of motion in this movement. The more range of motion, the stronger you are in the range of motion. For time's sake, I'm only going to do a few reps, that way you guys don't have to waste time watching this video. And that's going to be the end of this short video. Let me know how this workout worked out for you guys. What this should be doing is, obviously increasing your balance with your handstand. So keep doing it for about 1 or 2 weeks and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate every single one of you. If you guys like this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, calisthenics athletes.